ESIC Medical College, Sanatnagar, Hyderabad is the youngest of the ESI Corporation medical colleges located on a 30-acre campus in the middle of the busy commercial area of the historical city of Hyderabad, yet maintaining its eco-friendly environment. The medical college, which was in coma for nearly 4 years, sprung into action with the appointment of Dean Dr. Srinivas, a well-known pediatric surgeon from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. Right from the inception of the medical college in 2016, we have been striving hard to give the best of the patient care services to our insured patients. Discipline is the mantra for the success of the institute. Guest lectures and inspirational talks by eminent personalities across the globe to inspire the students and faculty and achieve the best of the results in the state of Telangana, bringing laurels to the institute. Good relations and collaborations were simultaneously established with centers of excellence like Nizam's Institute of Medical Sciences, Army College of Dental Sciences, IITs, University of Hyderabad, Indian Institute of Public Health, Defense Research Development Organization (DRDO), and other technology institutes and IT companies. The medical college has received the Best Medical College Hospital and Super Specialty Hospital Award for the year 2020 by the ESI Corporation. Now, with the emergence of COVID-19 outbreak, the institute is geared up to take up the challenge of containing the disease for its insured patients. In addition, it is also supporting the state government in the disaster mitigation measures by providing COVID-19 wards and preparing ICUs to the tune of 100 to 150 beds. This is possible due to the hand-holding and support by Defense Research Development Organization (DRDO), who have provided necessary technological know-how and equipment. Innovative tools have been developed by DRDO in a cost-effective manner for personal protection of healthcare personnel. These range from a BSL-3 mobile VRDL lab, which is first in the country, COVSAC units, aerosol boxes, face shields, snorkel face mask and shield as reusable PPE N95 equivalent, converting NIV masks to reusable PPE N95 equivalent, UVC disinfectant chambers, PPE suits, ventilator bifurcators, disinfection chambers, aerosolized sanitizer dispensers, disinfection of viruses for plasmapheresis, low-cost ventilators, mobile ICUs, negative pressure ICUs for COVID-19 positive cases, facial recognition system, and RFID alerting system with geofencing facility.
Thank you DRDO for working on war footing in delivering this to us on timely basis, and this is going to help us a lot. Thank you DRDO.
This is the UVC sanitizer cabinet which is supplied by DRDO to the ESIC Medical College and Hospital. This is very helpful to us. Thank you DRDO.
ESI team led by Dr. Srinivas visited DRDL and requested us to make some of the things, gadgets for the COVID-19 sample testing.
I would like to thank DRDO for providing ESIC Medical College the innovative and necessary equipment for fighting the COVID-19 attack.
We, on the behalf of ESIC,
I'm privileged to extend our gratitude to DRDO and DRDL
for collaborating with ESIC Medical College and Hospital, Hyderabad
in developing the COVID sample collection kiosk COVSAC
for the safety of healthcare professionals,
in providing efficient patient care, minimizing the use of personal protective equipment.
The students of ESIC Hyderabad thank DRDO, DRDL for their revolutionary innovation in this crisis of COVID-19 pandemic.
Thank you, Team DRDO, for all the support given to ESIC Medical College for the fight against COVID-19.
Thank you.
Thank you DRDO.
Thank you DRDO.
Thank you DRDO.
Thank you DRDO for your support.
థ్యాంక్ యూ శుక్రియా ధన్యవాద్ ఏ భాషలో చెప్పినా అదే థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Thank you very much once again DRDO on behalf of all the ESI staff.
We from the bottom of our heart want to say thank you to DRDO. Thank you to Chairman DRDO Sri Satish Reddy Garu, Director General Sri MSR Prasad Garu, and all the directors of the various laboratories of the DRDO at Hyderabad, RCI, DRDL and other institutes of other laboratories of the DRDO. We just want to say thank you to all of you for all these indigenous and innovations which they have done, provided those gadgets and equipment to fight the COVID infection here. We are committed, the ESIC Corporation is committed for the COVID care. Thank you DRDO, thank you very much.
Thank you DRDO.